will start from the pedal board. We'll play C, F, G, C. That's the first line. And to put things into context, I play the melody on the top. Now we can play pedal board with the left hand. Yeah, we'll play. Everything together, but at a slower pace. In the second phrase, there's one extra note on the left hand. Melody. As you can see, there are only C, F, G on the pedal board. You just need to remember left foot, right toe, right heel. Piece together.